Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNMP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very valid question, quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice move. When you stop and think about just on Thursday, the price was all the way down here. Now all of a sudden, as of Friday, the price is up there. Any rational person would say, yeah, the price has certainly made a very nice move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area down here at 43 cents. Why is 43 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 43. Not saying this will occur, but if the price were to go down to 43 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price went down here, behaved in this manner, and then started to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have a set of lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress is being defined as 43 cents. What about levels of resistance going into next week? Initial level of resistance, keep an eye on, going to be right up here at the 51 cent mark. Nothing fancy behind that other than the fact that that's just simply where the party stopped today. So 51 cents, that first key level. Next level after that, right up there at 55 cents. So 51 and 55, next couple of key levels going forward. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Great volume today. Great price movement. A bounce is definitely underway. Not just a question of can the price build upon this bounce, build upon this momentum next week. We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.